Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You're joining me inside the new project. Uh, let's consider this the first drive, if that makes sense, because this is actually the first time I can say I'm giving it a go. This is the first time I'm giving it a proper test drive. I've been pushing this thing this morning, trying to see if it's reliable, you know. And so far so good. However, I'm not so happy. Yesterday I took the car out, not even so far, just to come here to the shopping center, try and get some cold drink nyana. But then the car kept on cutting and cutting along the way, you know what I mean. They cut dying on me. Found myself having to kickstart every now and then. Kickstart. But for some reason today, the car is sharp. It's moving. It's moving fine, you know. But question is, can I rely on this thing to move me from Joburg to Northern Cape? We're talking 700 k's, you know, because that's how far I'm working. That's how far I'm working. So I don't know. I don't know really. So the plan this morning, upon waking up, was to return it to the guy I bought it from, because that is the agreement we had yesterday. Because yesterday it couldn't start. Luckily, I was with him when all of this shit was happening. Sorry for my French. Even him couldn't figure out what the hell. So now it got to a point where I was like, my man, pay back the man, you know, pay back the man. Okay, speaking of paying back the money, I'm sure most of you would like to know how much did I buy this thing for. I will do the total cost of ownership in the next video if I'm keeping it. That's a very big if, because like I said, I'm on my way now to try and return it. I'm actually returning it. I left the house returning the car, which is where I'm going. I'm just coming here anyway. So I don't know, guys. Honestly speaking, I don't know, because my thing is, I'm questioning the reliability. Can I rely on this thing to get me from one province to the other? Yes, local now, it's like a see what I did there. As it is, I woke up, went to see a lady. Guys, our parents. I get home. Okay, now I'm digressing. I show sister Mapaseka the car, and I'm showing the car complaining like, hey, it does this, hey, it does that. I wanna return it. I just bought it yesterday. Nyuf. You know what girl did? Girl decided to go to check the car. The next thing I'm saying, I'm seeing hands being laid on the car. She's laying hands on the car. I see lips moving. I'm like, girl is blessing it. In my head, I'm like, why are you blessing it? Because I'm returning it. You're blessing it for who? But low key, girl likes the car. Yes, I kid you not. Low key, girl likes this thing. That is why now I'm in between I'm sort of in a dilemma, if that makes sense. Do I return it? Do I keep it? Because now girl prayed for it. Girl put hands on this thing, and ever since then I'm having no issues. Guys, I returned the car, no issues, got my money back, and yeah, then it was the end of the project. Didn't go far, but if you haven't seen the video where I'm actually playing around with the car and trying to clean it up, there's a link in the description box below. Do find it to watch the video. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a member yet. And do share the video. Pretty much soon, I will be dropping a new video on the baby behind me. That one there outside. I'll be dropping the video on that bad boy very soon. Alright, guys.